How to play your Alpha and Omega Advanced Level 1 on key C. We all know how to play. If you've been following this series, before you get here you would have mastered the intermediate level 2 or 3 thereabout. Now this is the advanced level of your Alpha and Omega. And now what's the difference between the intermediate level and the advanced level? We are filling up the space with things. Now for this level 1, we are going to be filling up the space between the chords with arpeggios. Now what is an arpeggio? There's a link in the description below of what an arpeggio is, and I've given a lot of exercises you can do to develop your arpeggio hand technique. So please check the link in the description below for that. Now the song starts with this chord. You are Alpha. So when you do, did you see what I did? I arpeggiated that chord. See, arpeggio is random hitting of the notes that make up a chord. So I did, you can do, so just random, but it must follow the timing of the song. So exactly, I'm following the timing of the song. I'm not arpeggiating more than the time of that chord needs. So I'm not doing, that was for too long, if you get what I mean. So it has to be appropriate for the timing of the song. Then you go to Re. Did you see what I'm doing? Right? So you go to, we'll give you all now. So the same chord I used in the intermediate level, I'm just arpeggiating it. Sorry about that. So just arpeggiate the chords and you will be ready for advanced level 1. Very soon advanced level 2 will come out, but most importantly, the exercise on arpeggios in the link below, please and please go and master it and you'll be good to go.